Welcome to this short, quick introduction of teacher onboarding to Leoblocks platform. We will go through this flow, and we will start with how teachers join a school via a link. The teacher creates their own classes, invites students via a link to their own classes, and then assigns challenges to the class. Let's start. The teacher joins the school via a link. When you click the link you received, you can see that the code is automatically here. You type in your first name, last name, come up with a password, then you sign up. Now you are part of a school. Now it's time to create my own classes. Create a class, for example, example class, and click Create. Now I have created my class. I can also create another class like this. Now I'm a teacher and I have two classes. The next step is to invite my students. I want to invite my students to this class. I go to People, and then I click Invite Students, and copy the link, and now I can send this link to my students who belong to this example class. However, now I will store the link, which I will use later. We'll check how a teacher assigns a challenge. As a teacher, I can select a class, go to Assignments, and then create an assignment. From here, you can browse and search all the available challenges. You can search by skill level or by a specific app. For example, only painting challenges. I select Beginner and Paint. And I want to assign this one to my students, learning how to use vector shapes. Maybe I want to know a bit more in detail what this challenge contains. I click Preview, and I'm able to watch the full tutorial video from this preview. I think this challenge is exactly what I want my students to learn. From here, I change it to Live and give my students a deadline of next week, Friday. Then I click Save. This assignment is assigned to all the students in this class. I will join as a student to this class, so I'm able to see what it looks like when I have a student in my class. I log out. I use the link, which I created as a teacher. Now I'm signing up as a student, for example, example student. I will put in a password, and now I'm a student. I'm ready to sign up. Sign up. I'm part of the class, and I can see that as a student. I'm part of the example class. I'm part of the example elementary school, and there is one assignment I need to do. It's ready to start, and it's due in 9 days. As a student, I can start doing the challenge. Clicking the assignment opens the challenge. I can start from here, or I can start from here. The structure of the challenge is always the same. At first, you watch the video, and the video is split into parts. As a student, I'm also able to choose the language of the video translations. I choose Spanish, and it changes the transcription of the video. Students with all the different languages available here are able to follow the challenge. After watching the video, I'm able to continue, and I am rewarded with experience points after every activity. All of the challenges have the same structure. First, you watch the video, then you do. Then you watch another video, and then you do some more. Always watch and do, watch and do. Here was the watching part. Let's go check the doing part. In this specific challenge, we will learn how to use vector shape tools. I will not complete the challenge now, but I will just give the basic idea. I'm a student now, doing the challenge, following the instructions in this video, which I can still open from here, and also the written instructions are available here. After I am happy as a student, I click Continue, and I am again rewarded with experience points. This way, I complete the full challenge. After that, this assignment is done.